Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. Homes that are not just places to live, but experiences in themselves. Today we're taking a trip into the future of home design, where innovation meets imagination, and every detail is crafted for both beauty and function. Imagine living in a space with sleek lines, cutting-edge technology, and architecture that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Homes that look like they belong in a dream, yet are very real. From glass walls that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living, to cantilevered structures that seem to float above the landscape, these designs are pushing the boundaries of what a home can be. Step inside and you'll find open-concept living spaces, breathtaking interiors, and smart features that make life easier, more comfortable, and more inspiring than ever before. So, are you ready to see what the future holds? Let's jump in and explore these incredible visionary spaces together. If you love the outdoors and dream of living in harmony with your surroundings, this home is designed just for you. The Glass Cube residence is a stunning example of modern architecture that truly embraces nature, blurring the boundaries between inside and out. Imagine living in a home made almost entirely of glass, where sunlight pours in from every angle and the beauty of the outdoors is always on display just beyond your walls. It's a peaceful, seamless connection between indoors and out, creating a tranquil retreat that feels open, airy, and completely unique. Next, meet the floating concrete villa, a home that seems to defy gravity. With minimalist design and sharp angles, it's a perfect blend of form and function. For the eco-conscious tech lover, the solar-powered smart home is a dream. Solar panels, automated lighting, and smart appliances make this home both sustainable and ultra-convenient. Ready for something breathtaking? The cantilevered cliff house is perched on the edge of a cliff, offering jaw-dropping views. Its bold design complements the rugged landscape, making it both awe-inspiring and livable. City dwellers, meet your escape, the urban rooftop oasis. Even the smallest rooftop can become a lush, tranquil retreat with a little creativity. The curved steel mansion looks straight out of a sci-fi film. Its flowing shapes and metallic exterior push the boundaries of modern design. Ever dreamed of living under the sea? The underwater living pod makes it possible. Wake up surrounded by ocean life, a magical, immersive experience. For those who value flexibility, the modular eco cabin is ideal. Built with sustainable materials, it's easy to assemble, move, and live lightly on the earth. The infinity pool pavilion blurs the line between indoors and out. Expansive glass walls and a stunning pool make this home an entertainer's dream. The vertical forest tower is a true urban oasis. Greenery on every level creates a harmonious blend of city living and nature. That's a wrap. 10 incredible futuristic homes designed to spark your imagination and maybe even inspire your next dream house. From gravity-defying structures to eco-friendly smart homes, we've explored some truly mind-blowing possibilities for the future of living. Personally, I'd love to try life in the underwater living pod. Imagine waking up every morning surrounded by vibrant marine life and the calming blue of the ocean. It sounds like a dream come true. Which one was your favorite? Was it the floating eco-villa, the mountaintop retreat, or maybe the solar-powered glass dome? Let me know in the comments below. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. For more inspiring home ideas, futuristic concepts, and innovative designs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of dreamers and creators. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming big.